welcome to the complete HTML CSS tutorial for beginners that we're gonna start from the very beginning to advanced feature in HTML and CSS, and where we will create a real web application. So I will start by showing you the preview of the website that we're gonna create in the end of this tutorial. So if I go actually to my browser, I will show you this great web application that we're gonna create in the end of this tutorial. Okay. So to start, I will show you, I will define to you what is HTML and CSS. To start, HTML is the structure of each web page. Okay, so each website that you visit, actually, if you see the code, you will see that is created using the HTML. So HTML is the standard of each markup language for web pages. And HTML actually consists of a series of elements. So we will see that in the comments video. And something that I want to declare here, HTML is very easy. CSS also, the basics of CSS are very easy, but actually you have to practice. So you have you can just watch the video and go on, but you have to practice. Okay, in the coming video I will show you how we can install the editor that we're gonna work on, and we will practice our knowledge. If you have any question, any problem, just ask me. I will be more than happy to help you.